Hi guys, that's your old friend Thomas. I would like to introduce you 3 helmets. They are respectively 9 to 5 modular helmet, 8 to 9 full face helmet, and 6 to 7 open face helmet. They have a common feature, that is, they are highly cost effective. Well, let's see what our clients have to say. These 3 helmets have an electrostatic spray paint on the surface and a wind-breaking design. I like them very much, they look very fashion. ABS Shell Multi-Density EPS can pass DOT and ECE certification. Whoa! High strength and impact resistance. The ventilation system with multiple vents can be adjusted. Quick buckle can be operated even with gloves. Large field of vision, high intensity and clear, inside lens, sunscreen, ultraviolet proof. With double lens and an outer visor, easy to remove. Detachable and washable lining is comfortable, breathable and resistant to dirty and odor. So here is the Modular. Under the circumstances of the same material and appearance, we add a function of uncovering the face, which I like very much. First, because you can talk easily, and second, because you can drink and eat. Open face helmets are simple and small. Full face helmets, higher security. 3 helmets, light-weighted, suitable for most motorcycle types.